Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the book When Lions Roar. If your child has sensitivity to loud noises, this may be a great book for you. So let's get started. Today we'll be continuing our Books That Build series, whereby each week I'll be reviewing a different fiction or nonfiction book that aims to build courage, character, and confidence in our children. Today's book is When Lions Roar by Robie H. Harris. A lot of people think it's Robbie, but it's actually a woman and it's pronounced Robie. And the illustrations are by Chris Raschka. This book is about a sensitive little young boy who is overwhelmed by loud noises, and it tells a story of how he copes with them. Both of my boys are very sensitive to loud sounds. As toddlers, going into public bathrooms where they had the automatic flushers and the powerful jet hand dryers were just terrifying to them. They're 3 and 6 now, and thunderstorms, loud animal noises, and loud chaotic places still bother them. So this was a great read for them, and I think it's a wonderful book to show children who are over responsive or sensitive to noise that they're not alone, that this is something that happens to a lot of children. A lot of children are scared of these types of noises, and it reassures them that they can find a way to cope with that unavoidable noise. Just to show you a few pictures in the book, you can see him being scared when lightning cracks, when thunder booms, when sirens blare, when dogs bark. And then it goes on, but then towards the end, it kind of shows what he does. He sits down, he shuts his eyes tight, and he yells, "Go away," to the scariness. And then the quiet is back. And then it goes through him calming down. And it goes on. So the beginning starts with him being very scared, and the end goes to him being calm. From my experience, the one thing that I don't love about this book is I think that it's a little unrealistic to think that a child that is so unnerved by loud noises is able to control his fear so quickly and effectively on his own. But I think it's a great book that emphasizes that children can play a role in gaining control of their feelings, and believe that finding a quiet place to kind of collect their thoughts and calm down is a great start. I'm not a huge fan of Chris Raschka's illustration style, but he is the winner of 2 Caldecott medals, which is the most prestigious award for a children's book illustrator. So obviously I'm probably in the minority here, but I do feel that his style lends itself well to this book because the ragged brushstrokes in the beginning, it's a little bit chaotic, kind of helps to communicate the anxiety and chaos that the character feels. And then towards the end, when he's calming down, they kind of get a softer feel to them as he begins to feel safe again. Overall, this is a good book that I would recommend for a child who is affected by loud noises in their environment. And I think it serves as a really great reminder to parents and educators to be aware of how everyday noises can be hard for certain children. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like this video if you liked it, and click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and be notified when a new video is added. I have provided a link in the description below if you're interested in learning more about or purchasing the book When Lions Roar. And please join me again next time as I aim to get the right book in the right hands at the right time to build courage, character, and confidence in our children.